Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this super powerful ESGREEN 50 watts rechargeable flashlight which has a lot of features, lot of function, lot of protection. Yeah, a very complete flashlight. Yeah, one of the most powerful and most complete flashlights I've ever seen on the specs. But of course you want to see if it really meets our expectations in real life. Comes already in a very nice beautiful box, so this could also be a really nice gift. We get a detailed instructions manual. It comes really nicely protected in the box, so you don't have to be worried that something happens during shipping or so. And this thing is absolutely awesome. Watch this thing here. Of course it's pretty heavy, yeah, and of course it has to be heavy to be so powerful, and not only powerful but also beautiful. Watch this thing here, one of the most beautiful flashlights I've ever seen so far, and everything makes a really good impression. We have a lot of metal also here from the front. That's super important that we have really thick glass, and we do not have normal glass. You can probably see that we can really zoom in and out a lot. Of course I can't show you that when the light is on. It would be way too powerful because light is a whopping 50 watts, and so we can illuminate easily up to 8,000 feet. But of course in a clean night we can even go much further. There are pretty much no limitations. And as accessories we get this standard USB-A to modern USB-C charging cable. By the way, we cannot only use this cable to charge the flashlight itself, we can also use it to charge, for example, our smartphone from this flashlight, because we have a whopping 6,000 milliamps here inside. So in an emergency situation you can easily charge your phone from this flashlight. Also very helpful. And we have another very interesting feature, and that's this battery holder which you can use to add 3 AAA batteries and then use it here. So you could use that as a backup. So what's very important at the beginning, we have to open the flashlight at the back and then remove this protector here. We can also take the battery out. You can see a really large powerful battery. By the way, the plus has to go to the front. You can screw it back. You can also see the really nice high quality metal threads. There's pretty much no plastic here. And even though it's a high-tech flashlight, it's still easy to use. So we have 2 buttons here, and with one button we can start this flashing light, and when we push again goes into this automatic SOS flashing, and when we push again it's turning off. And with the other button we have 3 different light levels, so it starts always on the lowest level, which is already actually pretty strong, then goes into medium, and then when we push again goes into the strongest level. I can even feel the heat here. It's incredible how bright this is. When I push again, turns off, but we can also turn it off from every state with a long press for 3 seconds. What I also like as a safety precaution is that it starts always on the lowest level. That's something which I really like. And on top of everything, again, we have the zooming level, so you can see we have this really nice illumination pattern. But when we pull on the front, we can nicely concentrate and almost turn this into a laser beam. Can see it's absolutely seamless, adjustable. So of course already nice here inside, but outside it's much more impressive to see what it can do. I've tried it already a little bit around and it blew me away how strong this really is. Fits almost perfectly for every situation, just for walking with a very wide angle or searching for something with a very concentrated light. And on top of that we have these 5 different functions. Beautiful, strong, sturdy, even waterproof, comes with one of the latest LED light bulbs. Yeah, I think really nice flashlight. Definitely one of the most impressive build of a flashlight I've ever seen. Of course in the listing they are a little bit exaggerating for sure. and it's maybe not the absolute strongest light, but I would say still very, very powerful and definitely the most beautiful one. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.